Are you so fed up with cleaning other people's houses for a second job? I know exactly how you feel. I used to clean client homes for a living, and oh, it was the worst. Like, especially if they're there and they're watching you clean. This one time, this lady had a complete conniption because she found a single hair on her bathroom floor. Oh my God, you know those types, right? I needed to change something. Fast forward, ladies, I've discovered something completely different. Okay, there's absolutely no overhead, no physical products to store in your house, no MLM stuff, no pushing shit on your friends. Guys, it's a complete game changer. Digital marketing. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm Amy, and I help burnt out moms just like you learn how to make money online so you can transform your life in just 2 hours a day with your phone. I know, sounds crazy, but I'm absolutely loving this program, you guys. It's an interactive program. It's not just another course to resell a course. Okay, trust me, I've looked at affiliate marketing and all sorts of programs for months before I found this one. This one just checked all my boxes because I wanted that live coaching, the live training, the webinars every week. We have Zoom calls practically every single day where I can get all of my questions answered. Best of all, it teaches me how to make $900 a day. If you want to make $10,000 a month, type yes in the comments. I'd absolutely love to share this with you. Let's uplift our lives together.